Hi Brooke, how are you?
Doing fantastic, Javier.
Thank you. We're here with the 2027 INFINITI QX65 with Klipsch audio system, and there's like some cool technology that you're gonna show us, right? What is it?
Yeah, that's right. So my name's Brock, and I'm with Product Strategy and Software Services with Nissan, and we've created a fantastic listening experience. So while we have some of the best audio engineers in the industry, hands down, they do a really great job of putting Klipsch in all these great sounding audio. We have 20 speakers around us, Javier, that sound fantastic.
Let me interrupt you first. The first time I heard this name was when you introduced it in the QX80 a couple of years ago. Can you, I guess a lot of people like me don't know what it is.
Yeah, premium audio, very, very good. It's fantastic. This Klipsch right here has what's called the Reference Premiere. So it's a 1200 watt system with 20 speakers. We also offer a 16 speaker version as well too.
Okay, but this brand is not commonly found in, I guess it's not found in any other car.
No.
So in where people use it more, in the music industry, or where is it used?
Correct. It's known as that more of a professional series and a professional line.
Okay.
So we wanted to bring that in so we could have our customers enjoy this fantastic
and that was right.
Well.
You debuted on the QX80, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
So what are we gonna do?
So we found that we still have an opportunity to enhance that listening experience for everyone. So as you know, everyone hears a little bit different. It might be your occupation, might be your age, maybe you have a hearing impairment. Everyone's on a different level. So while we have some of the best audio engineers in the industry, and they do a great job of making sure it sounds great for the masses, we saw an opportunity to make it sound great for Javier.
Oh, wow. Let's see.
So we can make this very personalized.
So there's like a test.
Correct. So what we have done is we are taking advantage of Google built-in, which is in all of our Infinity lines that we offer. So with Google built-in, you get the Play Store, you get the Assistant, you get Maps. But having that Play Store allows us to create our own applications and services. You come right inside here. As you can see, Play Store, Google Assistant, Google Maps. Your recently used apps are at the front. We have a personalized sound app that we're going to see in a second. You can access your digital owner's manual. You can easily add lease miles.
Wow, amazing.
You can easily schedule service with your favorite retailer. But today we're going to look at personalized sound. So we're going to get to this part. This is the end portion, but we're going to take a quick test here. So this works for AM, FM radio, your Sirius XM, Bluetooth, any apps installed from the Play Store. Currently, right now, phone projection like CarPlay is coming in the future, but we support everything coming out. So the whole idea here, and you said it, Javier, it's about taking that test. So that's why we have some just some heads up here. So before you start, you want to be in a quiet area. You want to make sure you're very comfortable.
And just for reference, we have the AC at the lowest level, low temperature, so you might hear a little bit of air coming out, but not much.
Correct. That's why we want to say that just here. Turn that climate down. You want to minimize background noise.
That's the next thing for your engineers. Develop quiet AC.
Yes, that can always be a challenge, especially when it's hot outside.
Yeah.
Now, here's a little caveat that I will mention to this.
Okay.
Sometimes with the engine running, and depending on the tone that you're going to hear, sometimes you don't know if you quite heard it quite right because of the engine.
Of course.
And that's something that we just have to deal with. So,
but it's part of the ambience in the car.
Correct. So what I always tell people is you can take this test as many times as you want to. And if you feel it's not capturing perhaps some of those low tones that you think that you could hear, but maybe the engine disrupted that, you can easily do this in auxiliary mode. And then you don't hear the engine noise as well at all.
But this is more realistic.
It is more realistic. It truly is. So we're going to hit next. You hear those tones?
I hear, yeah. But you hearing it there in your headset?
It should be.
I mean, the headrest.
It should be all of them, but this isn't going to be turned up as much. It's going to.
I hear it.
But we're going to go down to.
I still hear a little bit.
Little bit. Now it's going to give you low. Hear the low. Now we have the mid.
In the middle, I hear.
And now we have the high. It might be a little bit easier, but it's those low frequencies that sometimes battle with that engine. So I just wanted to keep that in mind.
So is it sounding from there or everywhere in the car?
It should be everywhere. I don't know if it's coming directly from here.
I mean, I'm just because the navigation comes through, which is really cool.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
This is everywhere. So I'm going to allow you to take the test.
Okay, let's see.
So whenever you're ready, go ahead and hit start. This is judgment-free zone, Javier. If you don't hear it, you don't hear it.
You hear a little bit. It's almost like I hear it because I know it's there, kind of that thing.
That's fine.
That makes sense. Yeah, I heard something there. Very soft. Yeah. That I don't hear it. Okay.
Some of those high ones get pretty tough, don't they?
Yeah.
What you see here is your personal EQ based upon the hearing results of the tones that you just
EQ, no
recognized.
IQ.
And this is going to be the default that we have here. So we have default, we have Javier's personalized EQ, and then we have an advanced EQ. So you can further manipulate this on a 10-band equalizer, even a little bit more. Maybe you listen to rock or hip hop or podcast, so you want something elevated.
Let's go to my podcast then.
Well, let's go ahead and we're gonna run right in here. Let's see if we get some.
Hey Google,
let's get something playing here.
Play the AI Auto podcast with Javier Mota.
Okay, I can play that on Spotify or YouTube Music.
And that's with my profile that we just created.
This is default.
Oh, that's the default. Okay.
Now this sounds good for the Klipsch, right? The default. Click on your personal EQ.
Oh, wow. Way different. And advanced. Absolutely. Wow. Pretty cool.
So it's a simple concept, but it makes a huge difference because it's based upon how you heard the tones and when you heard them.
And the other thing is that it takes advantage of what all the work that your engineers put in, because sometimes people just like turn on the radio what it is, but now you have the ability to create something different for each customer. And I understand you can put that in your profile, a driver profile, so it can be different.
It's linked in with your driver profile. Okay. So if you and your partner have the different keys, they're taking the vehicle, no problem, because when they have their iKey associated with their driver profile, that means they can take their own hearing test through personalized sound, and it's applied when they drive. Okay. So everybody can have their personalized, bespoke listening experience.
Excellent. Another great feature on this car. Well, thank you very much. That's very interesting. And